guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a first impression / review of the Mally Beauty Let It Snow holiday collection. And I am excited to kind of go through these products with you. I love holiday collections. I just think there's just something so fun about them. And I did review the Mally Wood collection from Mally Beauty several months back when it came out, and I was absolutely obsessed. So when I got this in the mail, I was like, I need to review this. I need to see what this is about. So I created this look today with the products. And so we are going to take a look at them today. We're going to be creating this look. And if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jamie, and I upload beauty videos 3 times a week, sometimes 2. Mostly 3. I try. But if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a video. I would love to have you as part of the GLAM fam. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see the Mally Beauty Let It Snow collection and see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So the collection came in this giant train case with the Mally logo on the front, and I'm kind of living. This is going to come in so much handy for traveling. It's literally massive. And this is the collection inside. So pretty. She always does such a great job with her packaging. She really always makes everything so pretty and aesthetically pleasing. So we have a Kiss Me tinted lip oil set, and it looks like there is a red, a pink, and a clear. This says that it retails for $60 and it's $25. And then we have the Mally Let It Snow eyeshadow palette. Look at this packaging. It's just so pretty. If you guys saw my review of her Mally Wood collection, the packaging is so stunning. So I'm not surprised that this is so festive, but still pink and beautiful. And then we have the Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra 6-piece eye collection. And these look like they're cream shadow sticks. This says it retails for $150 and it's $25. Okay, so I think this collection is actually exclusive to Kohl's. And I think it has something to do with her 1-year anniversary being at Kohl's, because I looked on Ulta and I'm not seeing it. Because if you guys don't know, Mally Beauty is carried at Ulta and Kohl's. But I'm here on the site on Ulta and it's not coming up. So I have to assume. But the eyeshadow palette is $29 at Kohl's. Alright, so I am going to open everything up. Here is what the lip glosses or the lip oils look like. The lip oils, right? Tinted lip oils. They're very pretty. This one looks like it's going to be a fuchsia pink, clear, and this one is a cherry red. And these are the shadow sticks here. For shades, we have Burnished Bronze, Timeless Taupe, Champagne, Dune, Sand Drift, and Thistle. I'm thinking that I might give some of these away to you guys, just because I know that I'm not going to use them all. And then here's the inside of the shadow palette. It is so pretty. Here is what it looks like. It's a very Sugar Plum Fairy vibes. So pretty. I'm going to insert swatches for you guys to see. And we're going to create a look with all this stuff right now. So I think I'm going to start by opening up these cream shadows and finding one that I could lay down as a base. So if you guys watched my nude sticks video, creams are not my comfort zone, but we're gonna play today. So I'm going to take this shade. It's called Thistle. I'm going to just kind of swatch her. She's like a taupey lavender shade. All right, and so this one here is Burnished Bronze. Oh, it's a really pretty, shimmery metallic bronze color. It's beautiful. And then Champagne is exactly what it sounds like. So pretty. And then the other three shades, Sand Drift, Timeless Taupe, and Dune, I'm going to give away. So stay to the end of the video to figure out how you can win. So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with Champagne, and I'm going to put that kind of in all over my lid. It is very pigmented, very pretty and shimmery. Okay, so it says you have 45 seconds of playtime, and then after that your eyeshadow is going to be smudge proof, transfer proof, and crease proof. So it's good because if you have a holiday party or something and you want your eye look to stay all night, using a cream base underneath is usually going to make it last longer. But these especially are saying that they're smudge proof, transfer proof, and crease proof, which is great. And you can layer them, and you can do day looks and smoky looks and whatever you want to do. So I'm taking now Thistle, and I'm just going to put that kind of on the outside of my lid because I know I'm going to put darker colors on the outside part. I actually really like this color on its own. It's a cool tone color, but it's really pretty. I'm just playing with them to show you guys how everything works. I don't know if, you know, I should probably be putting a brown color down, but I want to give some away to you guys, and I want them to be colors that you'll use. All right. Now that looks crazy, but don't worry. We're going to put some shadow on top. All right, so I am going to, I'm down with the Sugar Plum Fairy vibes. So I'm going to go into this color here called Arctic Wine. And I'm just going to pack that on the crease. This is gorgeous, pigmented. I loved the Mallywood palette, so I kind of had high hopes for this one as well. Okay, next I'm going to go in this shade here called Icy, which is funny because you would think this would be a highlight shade, and maybe it is, but it's matte. So I don't know really how you would ever use that as a highlight, but it's a really great transition shade. So I'm just kind of going to pack that on the edge. And use it to help me blend out these edges. So what I'm doing right now, because Icy just wasn't really deep enough, I tapped into Icy, into Arctic Wine, back into Icy, and tapped it off. So I'm just mixing those two colors to sort of dilute Arctic Wine, if you will, and then I'm just using that to buff the edges. I'm going to take some of this brown color called Cocoa. I'm going to apply that to the outer V and bring it up into the crease. Alright, so I just did the rest of this eye because I wasn't sure what I was going to do, but now I am. So I'm cutting the crease, which you definitely do not have to do because, I mean, if you're laying down cream shadow, it's a little much. But we're doing the most today just because we're playing around with the collection. And I just want to see all of the products on my face. I'm just trying to put as many things on my face as possible. Alright, so then, once I got all that concealer on, I'm going to go into this shade here called Magical. And in the pan, it looks more bronzy, I guess, than it actually is. But I'm just packing that on the inner part of my lid. And then I'm leaving kind of this middle space bare, flipping my brush over, and I'm going to go into this metallic kind of purple color called Sugar Plum. And I'm just going to pop that right in between. I love this color. It's probably my favorite in the whole palette. It's so pretty. Yes. So I'm just going to do my lower lash line, and I'm pretty much just going to take some of Arctic Wine with a pencil brush, and I'm just going to join these two together. With a fluffier brush, I'm going to go into Icy, Arctic Wine, Icy, Arctic Wine. And I'm just going to buff everything out. That icy shade, I just don't understand it really. Because in the palette, it's like there's dark shades and then light shades, but there's like nothing in between. If this was like a little deeper of like a taupe, I feel like all this other stuff would blend into it really well. But when you mix it, then it works well. For my inner corner, I'm going to take this shade called Snow Angel. It's like a pretty pinky lavender-ish. It's like, it's white, but it has like a pinkish lavenderish kind of undertone to it. It's actually really pretty. So I'm going to pop on lashes, fix my hair, make myself look a little bit more presentable. And then we're going to come back and we are going to play with the gloss. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I love it. I think it came out so cute. I just put lashes on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm wearing the Ardell Demi Wispies, the magnetic ones, and I actually cut them in half, and I'm just wearing the outer piece. So I have been getting feedback that you guys want me to do that video on how I got the magnetic lashes to work. So I am going to work on that video very soon. Still trying to figure out how I'm going to like film it, because I have a fixed lens and like literally I'm the one who has to move closer to the camera. So I don't know how close I can get that I'll still be in focus. Like I'm looking right now because I said in some previous videos I was having focus issues. So if I keep looking down, that's why I like do not want to be out of focus. But like if as I move closer, like I could probably do it like this close, but I think any closer and it's gonna blur. There is a limit to how close I can get to this lens. So whatever, I digress. Okay, so I did put lip liner on, so I'm going to just apply the clear lip oil on, just because I want to see the formula. Feels really nice. But I love this color with this eye, so I think I want to keep it. Ooh, it smells like peppermint. Yeah, it smells like peppermint. Like candy cane. That's what it is. It's candy cane. Pretty. I really like this. I mean, I knew I was gonna like her collection. That middle shade's Sugar Plum is like everything to me right now. I love this. I'm in it. I like it. So, my thoughts on the collection. Ooh, need coffee. So my thoughts on the collection. Overall, this palette is amazing. The only gripe I have is this shade Icy. I wish it was deeper. I don't know why it needs to be in such a huge pan when it's a matte shade. It's not, like, I just don't get that. Like, I don't know, it's weird. And then Ice Queen is like really similar. It's like just like a hair lighter. Like this one is like a bone shade and this one is like an ivory like cream shade. This should have been just like a few shades deeper, I think. And then this palette probably would have been perfect. But that said, I'm living for all the rest. Living. I love it. I think the quality is great. The formula is great. They blend it out easy. And the color palette is just, it's so beautiful. Like, I love it. It's so good. The lip oil is very nice. It's not super tacky. I mean, I would have to wear it a while to really know, like, but it feels hydrating. And yeah, I like the candy cane scent to it. And then these cream shadow sticks I really liked. They blended out really easy. And I love that they're super long wearing. So that is also good. And I liked the shade, the shade selection. It was kind of along that sugar plum fairy vibe situation, so it all kind of goes. Okay, and so for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away 2 of the lip oils, the pink and the red, and 3 of the lipsticks, 3 of the cream shadow sticks, Dune, Timeless Taupe, and Sandrift. So to enter to win, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and then leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite thing from the collection was. And that is it. You are entered to win. If you want extra entries, head over to my Instagram. Make sure you're following me over there and leave your handle in the comments below as well. And make sure you leave me a way to get a hold of you. If you're not on Instagram, make sure you leave your email address so that I can get a hold of you if you win. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell so you will never miss when I upload a video. Follow me on my socials. My handle is @GlamLatte. And don't forget, the Glam Latte Beauty Podcast is live and poppin'. And all the details are in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.